hold. No? Para biglang sumakit yan. Alam mo naman.
As Banquero will open up the scoring here. Running. As Newsome will look for the opening. It's a 4-0 start para sa Bolts.
Mainit talaga ang pag-umpisa dito because medyo mabagal ang transition defense ng Barangay Nebra. It was a one. Aso pa fade away yung kanyang jump hook.
Scotty again ties the game at 4.
So after a good start, bumalik dito si Scotty Thompson for Barangay Nebra with 4 straight points.
To the import. Mitchell inside, up and under,
yes.
And
1. 5 straight points has the possibility for making it 6 straight points.
Neil Mitchell is having a running. Newsome dives in, and 1 para kay Nunu.
Sa loob-loob na bago ako lumabas dito, gagawa muna ako ng damage. He has 4 points in the ball game, a possible and 1 play.
Waiting na kasi si Rios to sa scorer's table. Si Mitchell na muna talaga ang papasok.
Mamaya ka na.
He's having first frame. Scotty to the spin. Gives it up to RJ.
Perfect timing na nangyari. May assist pa. 10 na may assist pa. Si Scotty.
5-0 rally by Inap. Round pag regular season, but they know how to turn it up. Speaking of turn it up, Thompson to Aguilar for the jam.
Nakakadalawang assist na yan, no? At least, yung nakakita natin ng maliwanag, 2 assist.
Barrientos and Ahan Misi.
All Pilipino yan, pero mabigat na team yan.
Scotty lights it up.
13 na yan.
Ginebra now opening up a 12-point lead.
13 na nga sa kanya eh.
Rios to Almazan on the slide. Pumake pa si Raymond and 1 para kay Almazan.
Nakita mo yung frustration ni Almazan kanina nung inbound siya. Buti hindi siya na-technical dun. Kasi kung tumalbog yung bola.
Barrientos down the gut of the defense. Feeding Japet. And Ginebra is threatening to break this game wide open right here in the second quarter. Pumalik na naman sa 11 ang kanilang abante after this spectacular connection between Barrientos and Aguilar. Back to Banquero.
Walang mapuntahan.
Rios.
Wow! What an effect for Rios, ha? Ilan na? 11. Leading the scoring for Meralco.
11 solid points off the bench para dito. Get Jansen Rios. And the game, they go to RJ. Nadulas! What a finish by JB!
What an assist! And what a finish! Hindi naman madali yun.
Ankle breaker by RJ to get rid of Mitchell. And then play. Nunu trying to keep Holt behind him. Nunu looking for the angle. And 1!
Pangklase linalaro ni Newsome despite having 2 personal fouls early. 11 na siya rito.
On cue, Miss Apple. Newsome ended up with Aguilar. Pepuwersa yun ni Japet yan. Gets the basket. Atin niya pang foul.
At kung kay Newsome yan, pangatlo na yun. Kung kay Clipio, pang-apat na yun. So, either or, bad shot.
4 ang inaabol na Meralco. Banquero gets the basket. May kasama pang foul.
This guy is coming into the picture. He already has 10 points. So, all of a sudden, 4 guys in double figure.
Brownlee for 4.
Ayaw ng 3. Gusto 4. Ano naman ang percentage niya sa 4?
Pangatlong 4 pa lang yan. Dito sa ating Commissioner's Cup out of 25 attempts. Akil in a foot race. Akil losing his footing. Feeds Quinto.
Yes! And what a turnover resulting in a 3-point shot. So it's a 5-0 run. Balik na naman sa 3 na lamang ang lamang ng Barangay Nebra.
.78. Off one leg, RJ ties the game.
Comes up with those kind of shots don't think has any chance of go. But here, as what you said,
Black.
Talagang aatake mo. Everything about him offensively is good, but the defense is a different story.
TNT nag-expose niya nung finals na nakaraan, Doc.
You know, there's a difference between...
Fouls each. Japet. Attacking Clip. And 1!
Walang magawa si Clip eh. He just used his body to try to shield off
Nahuli siyang nakatalikod, ano daw?
Exactly. He couldn't get in front of him. Watch this. Dahil pag spin niya, nasa likod siya eh. So he's using his hips to prevent him to get to the basket.
Meralco mapapahiling ng timeout as he bullet pass to Nunu.
He made a three there. And he makes another three from that same spot.
We've got a seesaw game, Dr. J. Meralco back ahead by 3.
This is a three-point shot.
JB di makabawi.
And a good steal here.
Scotty ties the game at 87.
All those hands. Oops. I thought he was going to reach.
JB attacking Mitchell, steps back.
Mitchell complaining that he was pushed off.
Feeds RJ. Abarrientos all the way.
You can't let emotions because of a non-call stop you. Mitchell never came down, so it was like a 5-on-4.
Tuloy sa kampyonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapisyonado.